Good morning, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I am going to be doing some painting on my nails. We have got Sinfl Colors Mist-erious 1593. This is a beautiful polish. I don't know if you can see the shimmer in here, but there is one, like a gold shimmer. Really super like it. I've coated it on my nails. I'm going to be putting some holo glitter by Becky Rose Nails, custom glitter mixes. You can check her out on Instagram under that name. Not sure if she has a YouTube channel or not. But I won this glitter in a giveaway by Princess Nails by Diana. You can look her up under that name on both Instagram and YouTube, and I hope that you do check out her channel. So a shout out for Princess Nails Diana and a shout out for Becky Rose Nails custom glitter mixes. I'm going to put another coat of my polish on. Put this off to the side. See, I'll paint my nails on camera for you for once. Remember, when you paint your nails, once down the middle, once down the side, back down the middle again. If you make a boo-boo, oh, where's my orange wood stick? Get your orange wood stick out. Take the fatter end, the wider end, go down the side of your cuticle, across the top there, get the polish out. That way it's easier than using, I don't know, cotton ball, corrector pen. It's way easier. I hope you're all having a good morning so far. Today is Thursday, January 10th, I believe. Yep, today's the 10th. I like this polish. I think it is really super cute. May not be for the winter months, but I really like it, and it kind of matches the holo that I want to use, so that's what we're going to do. I'm looking for my Pro FX, my quick drying top coat. I really like this. I found this at Walmart. Moon Baby Nails turned me on to it. She uses it in her videos. So just apply you a quick little top coat of this. Helps dry your nails. I don't know if I'm going to do full glitter on each nail, or if I'm just going to do an accent nail. I don't think I painted the thumbnail again, did I? My bad. Too late to do it now since I put the top coat over it, but we'll see. Should turn out alright. I'm going to be picking my glitter up with the stamper. I'm going to put it on my palette from She Modern. I'm dropping a lot of names here today. Shout out to everyone. I learned this little trick. Here's another. Whoops, sorry for all the noise. I'm dropping things. Here's another name I'm going to drop for you. This little trick from picking up the glitter with the stamper, I learned from Girly Nails 66. So please check out her channel as well. You can check her out on Instagram under the same name. So yeah, I think I'm done dropping names for today. Check out all their channels. Subscribe. If you check them out on Instagram, give them a thumbs up. Let them know that I sent you. Say Cherie from Just Nailed It sent me. And that is spelled S-H-E-R-E-E. Ouch. Here's my palette. Let's see if I'm in frame here. Sorry for the wobbling. I'm going to pour some of my glitter out here on the palette. Whoops. I think this is really nice glitter. I mean, I know it's hollow, so we're all going to like it just because, right? I'm sure I really don't need this much out. Especially if I'm only going to do one nail, which I may do more than one nail. I'm going to slide this off to the side. Got my trusty stamper. Pick up some glitter and stamp it on your nail. My nails should be tacky. So yeah, let me push this down. I like doing it like this. This is like way easier than how I was doing it before. Guess I'll put a little bit on each nail here. Nothing wrong with that. We all love glittery nails, right, ladies? Yeah, I picked up way too much glitter. Way too much. But, you know, what are you going to do? Use it, right? Put it back in the pouch. Save it for next time. I really like glitters. I like the really fine ones. So when you're done, and there we go, I'm going to take my lint roller and clean off my stamper. This is how you clean your stamper off, no matter what you're using. If you are using glitters, pigments for nail stamping, just roll it across it a few dozen times. Well, maybe not that many, but you know what I mean. And there you go. If you want to clean up better than that, you can always use soap and water. I'm going to set the palette off to the side, and I will put the glitter back in there off camera. I don't know if you can see my little remnants here of glitter on my my mat. I'm going to find the top coat that I use for my glitter. Here we go. First coat, I just put a Wet n Wild regular clear top coat on. Just from the Dollar Tree or wherever you can pick up Wet n Wild in your area. Most likely the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, something like that. So I'm going to put this on in a thin coat. In between dips, you should wipe your brush off. And I got a dog hair. So just wipe this off really easy, or wipe it off. Dip it back in. Seal in your mani. After this, I'm going to put another top coat on of the Pro FX. And then I am done. Whoops, I didn't wipe my brush off. Oh. Hope I didn't contaminate. That's why you want to wipe it off, so you don't contaminate your bottle. And there, I'm done with this one. I'm going to get my cleanup brush out. So I'm going to pause this for just a minute, if I can find the button. Okay, this is Cherie. We are back. I have my cleanup brush, or what's left of it. I definitely need to get a new one. My bristles are getting really short. I'm going to take this and I'm going to clean up the glitter along the cuticles. Try to get a frame here. The rest of it will wash off your hands when you wash them, so go do that after your nails dry. And at that point, I want you to put some cuticle oil on. Put it on, massage it in. Your nails will be good to go. And there we go. I'm going to now, I'm going to blow on them just in case there aren't any loose glitters. Got my Pro FX sitting here off to the side. Put a coat of that on. Cap your nails. Usually I don't because I don't wear my manicures very long at all. Maybe today if that. But I'm going to cap this one here at the end because I will be wearing this until tomorrow. No, wait a minute, Saturday. I'll be taking this off Saturday morning for my She Modern Saturday video. I hope you all watch that. It is a little series I got going on every Saturday where I do a different decal. Sorry. And there we are. We are finished with our mani. I hope you like. I think this turned out really super cute. I don't use, I use coconut oil. Solid coconut oil for my cuticle oil. And from taking polish off so much, I'm a little white around my middle nail here, so gotta give that some TLC. I'm sorry if I was out of frame. Just applying some cuticle oil here. It's coconut oil that I like to use. It's really good. You buy it in a jar. You can buy it at a grocery store. You can buy it anywhere. Maybe not the Dollar Tree. But you can get it at Walgreens, any stores like that. So here we are. I hope you like this. I hope you think it turned out really nice. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. I like it. I like the glitters. I got the glitters from, again, Princess Nails by Diana. So thank you, hon. I really, really like these. These are right up my alley. I like fine glitter mixes. I'm not into the chunky. Those I kind of get lost on because of the bigger pieces that it takes away from. But that's just me. I think they're pretty, but I like the fine. So here we are. This is it for today. Have yourselves a good day. Be good to each other. Love each other. And have a blessed day. Thank you.